Hello, my name is Sachin Pratap Singh. Module name Freedom of Expression. Subject Media Law and Ethics. Discipline Journalism. What is freedom of expression? The power of right to express on opinions without censorship, restriction, or legal penalties known as freedom of speech. One opinions may therefore be expressed by word of mouth, in writing, printing, picture, or any other mode. This freedom includes a person right to propagate or publish the view of other people. In India, freedom of speech and expression is guaranteed under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution of India. Apart from this, provision relating to freedom of speech and expression are also continued under various international conventions like Universal Declaration of Human Rights, European Convention on Human Rights and Fundamental Freedom, International Convention on Civil and Political Rights, etc. Freedom of speech and expression is one of the six fundamental rights conferred to the citizen of India under Part 3 of the Constitution. It is one of the most important aspects in the hierarchy of personal liberties provided under Article 19 to Article 22 of the Indian Constitution. Article 19(1)(a) states that all citizens shall have the right of freedom of speech and expression, but this right is subject to limitation imposed under Article 19(2), which empowers the state of put reasonable restriction on various grounds, namely security of state, friendly relation with foreigners state, public order, decency and morality, contempt of court, defamation, incitement of officers, and integrity and sovereignty of India. Purpose of freedom of speech and expression. Freedom of speech not only allow people to communicate their feelings, ideas and opinions to their, rather it serves a broader purpose as well. This purpose can be classified into four parts. It helps an individual to attain self-fulfillment. Second is, it assists in the discovery of truth. Third is, it strengthens the capacity of an individual and participate in the decision making process. Fourth is, it provides a mechanism by which it would be possible to establish a reasonable balance between stability and social change. Freedom of speech and expression of the press lays at the foundation of all democratic organization. For without free political decision, no public education, so initial for the proper functioning of the popular government is possible. Freedom of silence, national anthem case. The offence of sedition in India is defined under section 124(a) of the Indian Penal Code. However, by word, either spoken or written, or by sign, by visual representation, or otherwise bring into hearing of contain or excite or attempts to excite disaffiliation towards the government established by law in India shall be punished. In the reacting case of Kanhaiya Kumar versus State of NCT of Delhi, student of Jawaharlal Nehru University organized an event on the parliament attack victim Afzal Guru, who was hanged in 2013. The event was a protest through poetry, art, music against the judicial killing of Afzal Guru. Allegations were made that the students in the protest were heard shouting anti-Indian slogans. A case therefore filed against several students on charge of offence under section 124A, 120B and 34. The university student union president Kanhaiya Kumar was arrested after allegations of anti-national slogans were made against him. Kanhaiya Kumar
तो उसका पीछे भी पता नहीं क्या हो गया है, देखो ना उसको जल गया
were released on bail by the Delhi High Court as the police investigation was still at nascent stage, and Kumar exact role in the protest was not clear. The fundamental rights of the freedom of press implicit in the right the freedom of speech and expression is essential for the political liberty and proper functioning of democracy. The Indian Press Commission says that democracy can thrive not only under the vigilant eyes legislature but also under the care and guidance of public opinion, and the press is per excellence the vehicle through which opinion can become articulate. Unlike the American Constitution, Article 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution does not expressly mention the liberty of the press, but it has been held that liberty of the press include in the freedom of speech and expression. The editor of a press for the manager is merely exercising the right of expression, and therefore no special mention is necessary of the freedom of the press. Freedom of press is the heart of social and political intercourse. It is the primary duty of the courts to uphold the freedom of press and invalidate all laws and administration state action which interfere with it contrary to the Constitution Amendment. Ground of reputation secured. Clause 2 of Article 90 contains the ground on which the extension of the Freedom of Speech Act can be imposed. Security of state. आर्टिकल 92 के अंदर बताया गया कि अगर किसी राज्य की सिक्योरिटी, किसी देश की सिक्योरिटी पर अगर बात आती है तो राइट टू एक्सप्रेशन में आपको सज़ा मिल सकती है। आपको ऐसा कोई काम नहीं करना, आपको ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ नहीं लिखनी, नहीं बोलनी जिसके थ्रू किसी स्टेट की सिक्योरिटी पर फर्क पड़े, किसी धर्म को, किसी कास्ट को, किसी कम्युनिटी को अगर गलत लगता है तो उन चीज़ों में नहीं, तो उन चीज़ों को बैन किया गया है। फ्रेंडली रिलेशन विद फॉरेन स्टेट, जिन देशों के साथ, कंट्रीज के साथ फ्रेंडली रिलेशन है उनके बारे में गलत नहीं लिख सकते, उनके बारे में गलत नहीं बोल सकते। जैसे कि भारत का देश रूस, नेपाल जो फ्रेंडली फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो उन स्टेट्स के बारे में, उन देशों के बारे में गलत नहीं लिखा जा सकता, नहीं गलत बोला जा सकता। तो इन चीज़ों का भी रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगाया गया कि इन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन एंड स्पीच के अंतर्गत। Public order. This ground was added by the Constitution Act. Public order is an expression of wide canvassing significant that state and community with privilege among the enforced by the government which they have established. Public order is something more than ordinary maintenance of law and order. Public order is synonymous with public peace, safety and tranquility. The test of determining whether an act affects law and order or public order is to see whether the act leads to the distribution of the current of life of the community so as to amount to a distribution of the public order, or whether its effects merely and including when tranquility of the society under created. Decency of morality. The word morality, decency are the word of wide meaning. Section 292 and 294 of the Indian Penal Code provide incidents of restriction on the freedom of speech and expression. In the interest of decency or morality, this section provided the scale of distribution and execution to options words except in public places. No fixed standards is laid down till now as to what is moral and indecent. The standard morality varies from time to time and from place to place. Contempt of court and defamation. कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट में जो भी कोर्ट ने कोई अपना रीज़न दिया है उसके खिलाफ बोलना नहीं है, उसकी रिव्यू कर सकते हैं, उसकी समीक्षा की जा सकती है, बट उसके खिलाफ नहीं बोल सकते। इसके अंदर दो टाइप के प्रॉब्लम होती है, सिविल कंटेम्प्ट एंड क्रिमिनल कंटेम्प्ट। डेफेमेशन मानहानि, हमको किसी के बारे में ऐसा नहीं बोलना जिससे उसको धक्का लगे और फिर उसकी इमेज पे, उसके स्टेटस पे कुछ गलत इफेक्ट पड़े। Conclusion from this article, it can be easily concluded the right to freedom of speech and expression is one of the most important fundamental rights. It includes circulating one view by word on in writing or through audiovisual instrumentals, through advertisements and through any other communication channel. It also comprises of right information, freedom of press, etc. Thus, this fundamental right has a vast scope. Thank you.